So I do have some new gear I got over the winter. I want a little bit bigger bags, just for the rear. I like the dry lights I had, but I had more of a really ultralight setup before, and I just found I need some more room. I added a little bit larger tent. I got the Big Agnes bike packing tent. What else? Really just wanted some more room. I had the GT18s, the Arkells in the front. I did on my last trip with just the rear tank bag, and they were just overloaded where it was a pain in the butt to stuff everything in there. Another reason for the bigger bags is I am just literally not using stuff sacks or anything except for the tent, and I am just using the bags as the stuff sack themselves. So you can see these are the Dolphin 48s from Arkel. So you got this compartment here, and then you've got this other side compartment, and there's a gap between the two. So I just put my sandals in there. Also got spots to put water bottles or snacks or whatever. I'm gonna bungee those. Definitely gonna bungee those water bottles. I don't trust them even with the straps on them right now. They got the same little pocket in the front. I also added the Revelate design feed bag, mainly for this GoPro, because it's kind of a pain to fold the GoPro, put it in the front bike bag when I want to film. Open the bike bag, unfold the GoPro. This way I can literally just stick it on the selfie stick itself right into the feed bag. So we'll see how that works. And another piece, I got a new helmet. Got a new POC helmet this year. My other one is just kind of sun faded and kind of falling apart. So upgrade there. And on top of that, yeah, I got a lot of new stuff. I got a Garmin 1030. I had the 820 before, and it just really never seemed to last the full day of riding. And this thing has a much bigger battery on it. And the other problem is touring, it was hard to see the screen because it was so small when you're trying to navigate. And this thing has a much larger screen and battery, so it was on sale. Got a good deal. Yeah, so I'm really liking the Big Agnes bike packing tents. First off, the ground cloth is actually inside the vestibule, which is kind of handy, especially like sitting down or if you have to step out of the tent in the middle of the night. And one of the other things that I just used this trip is the little like clothesline thing, which I must say is actually pretty handy. Just a series of loops here that you can hang stuff in. But yeah, it works good. It's got a little vent in the top too, which is nice. The biggest reason I got it though is the tent poles are like half the size, so they fit in panniers really easily. And you can fit it between your handlebars too with the bag it comes with. So very happy with it. I'm gonna make some dinner, I think.